Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Orbits. In the last class, we learned about objects, fields, as well as records. Now, in this video, let us learn what are data types. Data types are nothing but the type of information which we store in a field. Suppose if you want to store the name of an employee or the name of a student, then we use text data type. If you want to store long text, then we use text area data type. And if you want to store the number without any decimals, then we use the number data type. Auto number. Auto number, it automatically generates a unique number for every record which you create. Suppose if the student who joins into a school, the roll number will be assigned as 01. The next student should get the roll number as 02, right? So for that purpose, we will use this auto number data type. Okay. Similar to this, there are lot of other data types as well. Let's move into the Salesforce and we will look each and everything. So log in into your Salesforce. In order to create the fields, first we need to have an object, right? So for that, click on this settings icon, click on setup. Here, click on object manager, then create, then custom object. Here, I want to store the details of an employee. So, I am labeling it as employee. And if you want to show this tab in the home screen, then you need to enable this checkbox. Click on save. Give the icon for the tab. Click on next. Click on save. Now the object was created. Let's create the fields. In order to create the fields, click on fields and relationships. Here I already created the employee name, so I'm going to create the other fields. Let's see what all the fields we are going to create. I already prepared one data model for the employee object, so you can go through all of these things. Now we are going to create these fields one by one. Okay. Now here I already created the employee name, so I am keeping it as green. Okay. Now let's create the other things over here. Here I need to create the father name, mother name, phone number, email, right? Obviously the name will be in the form of text. So I need to select the text data type over here. For that, first click on new. So I'm selecting the text data type. Click on next. I am labeling the field as father name. Okay. Enable this checkbox if you feel this field is mandatory to fill. Okay. Then click on next. Click on next. Save and new. In the same way, we need to create mother name, phone number as well as email. Okay, but now I'm going to the age factor over here. You can fill all these forms, all these fields. Okay, now we all know the age will be in the number format, right? So I'm selecting the number data type over here. You can see the description as well. It allows users to enter any number leading zeros or removed. Okay, click on next. I'm labeling the field as age. Click on next. Save and new. Okay, now I want to create the employee ID. As I explained before, I am selecting auto number data type for the employee ID because I want to generate a unique number for each employee. Okay, so I'm selecting the auto number data type over here. Click on next. I want to give the field label as employee ID, and remember you need to give this format only. Okay, click on next. Okay, I want to show these fields to all the profiles, so I'm enabling this checkbox. Clicking on next. Save. These are all the fields which we have created now. Let's see whether these are reflected on the home screen or not. So go back to the home screen. Just refresh the page. Click on the drop down. It is not showing up. Just again reload it. Sometimes due to cache issues also it will not be reflecting. So if it does not appear, then please reload it again. Now it's showing up here. Click on employees. Yes. Now let's see the Boolean data type, that is checkbox. Normally this data type gives us the two possible values. One is true or false, or yes or no. Suppose if you want to know an employee is working from home or not, then we will use this checkbox data type. Let's see how we create it. Just go back to the fields and relationship. So selecting the employee over here. Click on fields and relationship. Click on new. I'm selecting the checkbox data type over here. Click on next. I am giving the we'll label as work from home. By default it will be unchecked. Click on next. Enable the checkbox. Click on next. Save. Yes, the field was created now. Let's see whether it was reflected in the home screen or not. Just reload the page. Click on it. Yes. Now you can see the checkbox over here, right? Due to cache issues, it was not showing up before. So that's why I said to reload the page again and again so that it will clear all the cache issues. Okay, now it's clear, right? So I'm marking it as green. Yeah, now let's see the Picklist data type. It is nothing but you had to select only one option from many options. Suppose the stream is having the sales department, IT, and quality assurance. You had to select only one objective over here. Okay, there is another pick list called as multi-select pick list where you can choose multiple options from the available options. Okay, suppose if we have given the skill set as Java, Apex, JavaScript APIs, you can select 3 of these options. But in pick list, you have to select only one option. Okay, let's see how to create it. Go back to the fields and relationships. Click on new. I'm selecting the pick list data type. You can see the description over here. It allows user to select a value from a list you define. Okay. Click on next. I want the employee to select one option from the work stream. Okay. Select this option. I will be explaining about the global pick list in the coming class. So after selecting this option, you have to give the values here. So go back to the sheet. Here I have given the work stream as. So select all these and just copy over here. Okay. If you want to enable this, you can enable these options. Here, focus here. If you enable this checkbox, then you cannot give the other values which are not mentioned in your Excel sheet. Suppose if you are importing the data through an sheet or CVS files, then you have to give the values here which are available in your sheet. You should not give the other values, it will not accept. Okay, then click on next. Click on next and click on save and new. Now let's see how to create multi-select pick list. Click on next. Here I want to give the skill set as the multi select pick list so that employee can select the skills which they have. So I am naming it as skill set. Go back to the sheet and select the skills from here. Okay. If you select the visible lines as 4, you can see only the 4 lines in the given box. If you want to modify it, you can do it. Click on next. Save it. So you can see all the fields which we have created till global pick list values, or the pick list values where we can create only one time and then we can use it in many fields and in many objects. Okay, suppose if you want to know where the employee is, from where the employee is working, whether on-site, hybrid, or in the remote mode, then we can create this pick list once, and we can use this pick list across any field or any object. Okay, let's see how to create it. So go back to the fields and relationship, click on new, select global pick list value. Sorry, from here we cannot do that. We should go to the home, search for pick list values. Yes. Okay. From here you need to create the global pick list. Okay. Click on new. I want to label it as location. Okay. Here you need to give the values. So go back to the sheet. I want to give these 3 values as the pick list options. Click on save. Okay, now the pick list values has been created. If you want to create a new value, you can create from here itself. Okay, now let's go back to the fields and relationship. Okay, search for employee object. Click on fields and relationships. Click on new. Click on pick list. Click on next. Here I want the location field. So now see here carefully. I am enabling this use global pick list value set. Okay. Now you can see this box is unchecked because if you select the global pick list value, then you cannot able to import the data, like import the pick list data from here. Okay, so that's why it is not enabled. See, before we did not find this option here, but now you can find this option here. So just select the location, enable this checkbox, click on next, click on next. save. Yes. Now all the fields are created. Let's see whether those are appearing in the home screen or not. Just go back to the home screen, refresh the page, and click on. By reloading the page, you can see all the fields which we have created, but these are not well organized, right? To organize them, go back to the edit page. Go back to the fields and sessions by clicking on this gear icon. Then select the page layout. Sorry, yes, you need to select the correct object name over here. Then from this, select the page layout. Click on the name. You can see all the fields which we have created. So, in order to organize them, just click on the fields and drag them. Okay. I'm just selecting them and dragging and dropping them. Okay. Then just save it. Now go back to the home screen and refresh it. Yes. Now you can see these are all well organized. Let's edit each one of them. First, you can see the checkbox over here. If you click on this one, it will be showing whether uh, employee is working from home or not. And you can select the only one option from the given options here. This is called Picklist value, Picklist data type. Okay. And you can see there are multiple options here. You can select as many you want. This is called Picklist multi-level set. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, in this way it will work. See, employee ID doesn't have any edit option because it is an auto-generated number. Click on save. Now if you go to the related ones, details, it will show all the things which we have created till now. See, here you can see only one field name, but we have created many fields, right? In order to show all the fields here itself, then just select all the list, then select the drop down, click on select fields to display. You can select the fields which you want to show here. Okay, I'm selecting the age. You can select almost 10 fields over here. I want employee ID. I want the skill set of an employee. I'm selecting the work stream and the location. Okay, click on save. Yes, now you can see all the fields in one place itself. Okay, in this way it will work. Yeah, this is all about for this video. Thank you. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.